Hey y'all, it's Tiana Alexandra and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you all how I achieve this crinkly, wavy lock look with a braid out. So long story short, I had a party to go to this weekend. I didn't have time to retwist my hair. I was still looking for an outfit and evidently I was on the late show. So in order to still look good, I'm like, what can I do for this, you know what I'm saying? Like this real quick. And I said, a braid out. So boom. Here we have it. Here it is. And do you want to know the best part about it? You don't need a retwist. The only things that you need to achieve this hairstyle is locks and water. So let's get into it. So I parted my hair into 4 sections. As you can see, one has already been done. Now I'm just dampening my hair with some water. I don't know where my spray bottle is, so my hand works just fine. And don't act like you ain't never seen no hairy neck before, because your girl is hairy, okay? I'm doing the plaits in small sections because I want my crinkles to be as defined as possible. I'm spraying rose water and glycerin mix for a little razzle dazzle, and I'm rubber banding the ends so that my locks can stretch. Yes, I left these plaits in for 6 hours. I walked around them all and everything. You really just want to make sure that they're dry, so if you're in a crunch for time, you can use a blow dryer like I did. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for tuning in, and also make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this style, and let me know if you tried it and how it turned out. It helps me come to you and give you what you want from me. So let me help you, help me, help you, help me. Yeah, see ya, bye, love y'all, y'all my people.